Welcome to Ho Chi Minh City, a vibrant metropolis that beautifully balances tradition and modernity. Nestled in the heart of Vietnam, this city is a captivating blend of rich history, dynamic culture, and the hustle and bustle of everyday life. As the sun rises over the Saigon River, the city comes alive. Ho Chi Minh City, formerly known as Saigon, is a testament to Vietnam's resilience and growth. The energy of the city is palpable, and its people are the heartbeat that keeps it alive. From the crack of dawn to the shimmering lights of the night, life here is a symphony of motion and colour. The Vietnamese people, known for their warm hospitality, welcome you into their daily routines, offering a glimpse into culture that cherishes family, community, and tradition. Ho Chi Minh City's skyline tells a story of progress and ambition. Skyscrapers stand tall, reflecting the city's rapid economic development, while century-old pagodas and colonial architecture remind us of its storied past. It's a city where the old and new coexist seamlessly. As the day turns into night, the city transforms into its spectacle of lights. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe and stay tuned for more worldly adventures.